Hello plant lovers. So recently I got few of the queries telling how to grow coriander at our place or at our balcony garden. And today we'll be seeing how to grow coriander, what are the tricks I use to grow coriander and the medium in which I'll be growing coriander. So for this you just need coriander seeds which are available at your kitchen. Use it. And what I usually do is I usually split it into two of these, because each of these seeds will give rise to new plant of coriander, and then planting it in the tubs which I have prepared. Gently crush it so that it becomes two. Don't press it so hard so that it becomes 4 or 5 pieces. Make sure you gently press it and it becomes only 2. Please don't show your strength here. So I'll be using these seeds to grow my coriander plant. For more such content, do not forget to follow Biotechmaali.